Here's a sentence that should never be uttered. A bar exam taker had a heart attack during the bar exam, and the test didn't stop. Proctors just kept it moving. EMTs showed up. Someone's life hanging in the balance, and folks around were still typing because, God forbid, the essay get cut short. Amateur law prof here, and I'm here to talk to you about burnout in the legal profession. If you're shocked by what you just heard, you must be new here. You must not know lawyers, because the legal profession doesn't reward balance or health or even basic humanity. It rewards grind. Grind till you break, then grind a little more. Gotta fix my hat. Now, big law associates are literally collapsing from overwork here. People joke about billing 3,000 hours. Break that down. That's 60 to 70 hour weeks every week for a year. That is over 8 hours per day of billable work. That is not even including your non-billable requirements. Throw in weekend doc review and some partners who think that urgent means ruin your kid's birthday, and you've got yourself a mental health crisis with a Westlaw login. Someone I went to law school with ended up at big law. Wonderful human, nice to everyone, low-key, brilliant. Didn't flaunt it. One of the smartest guys in the school. He ended up working himself into a major health issue to the point where he was unrecognizably gone. He almost disappeared. He finally got out, moved into a different area advocating for students, and started living again. But that's what it took, nearly dying to find purpose. And it's not just big law. Public defenders and prosecutors, same burnout but worse pay. Some are juggling 150 active cases at once. You can't give anyone a fair shake when you haven't eaten lunch for 2 days and your office chair is being held together with duct tape, as are your files. Washington Supreme Court just had to issue standards to prevent this kind of worker abuse. And yet we keep pretending this is normal, that collapsing under your desk is just part of earning it. We treat overwork like a badge of honor instead of the system failure that it is. It doesn't have to be this way though. The ABA literally just proposed giving lawyers a week off that actually counts towards billable hours. There's also a report that's recommending a cap of 1,800 billable hours, which is still a lot, including not basing bonuses on those that go above and beyond that. That's sad. The whole thing's a pyramid scheme in pinstripes. You bleed at the bottom so that partners can sit Bordeaux at the top. And we're getting to the point where you can't paint over the cracks in the system. Lawyers, especially the young ones, are finally starting to say enough. You shouldn't have to nearly die to prove you belong. You shouldn't have to watch someone literally collapse next to you at the bar exam or a job to realize that the system is broken. It's time to stop normalizing the suffering. The law doesn't need martyrs. It needs people who are still around to practice it and that still have the energy to have passion for what they do. Until next time.